the audiobook presented by Full Audiobook channel. The book name is Enjoy Your Breath, a powerful meditation technique of Maharishi Dr. Yogi Raj. You can achieve many things in life through this meditation technique. Enjoy Your Breath meditation is a 7-stage process of breathing exercise, and in this book although 7 stages have been explained, however the first and second stage can be practiced normally, but the third, fourth, fifth and sixth are somewhat difficult, such it is recommended that the technique should be taught by a trained teacher or guru at 100 Years Life Club at Maharishi Ashram. A regular practice of this technique of meditation should be done half an hour a day. It gives lot of benefits to all type of person from various walks of life in improving their condition of mind and move towards successful living. Who should read this book? Enjoy Your Breath meditation is not based on any religion. It is non-religious and is a breath-linked technique. Breathing is essential for all living beings. As such, this technique creates harmony in all beings and all religions, as it can be practiced by one and all. Therefore, persons belonging to any religion or every religion can learn this and benefit from this. Even an atheist can learn this meditation technique. Enjoy Your Breath meditation produces an all-rounding improving impact on the body, mind and soul complex. This meditation technique can therefore be learned by students, by busy corporate people leading a stressful life, by sports person, by aged and elderly person, in fact by person of any age group. Housewives are the backbone of a family. The simple technique of eye meditation can be learned easily by them. They can in turn teach it to their children and family members. This will facilitate molding their character and personality and also help in the formation of good habits. Teachers, professors and faculty staff also stand to benefit from this meditation technique. This technique of meditation can be practiced in a quiet corner of your house, in your office or in any other location. Enjoy Your Breath meditation technique is not a theoretical preposition. Patient and participant at the Maharishi Clinic and Yoga Center located at the 100 Years Life Club of Maharishi Ashram have practically tested it and found to be very effective. This technique of meditation has been developed for common worldly people who want to earn more money, who want to achieve success, who want to acquire self-confidence, who want to live a disease-free life, and who want to enjoy life to its fullest extent, and finally to achieve spiritual advancement. Breathing is essential for living, and if you can learn the technique of enjoying your breath, then you will have a good living. The book contains 25 chapters. Then start chapter 1. In this chapter, Maharishi Ji explained how we can manage our financial problem, family worries, health, drugs, stress, education, frustration, marriage and job also. Chapter 1. Introduction. The book is written in a simple language for the common man who is burdened with cares and worries, facing financial problems, having family worries and having low level of enthusiasm for living. Whenever a person is told to do meditation, he says, I will do it when I grow old. He says, let me earn money first, let me have a family, let me enjoy life, and after that I will think of meditation. This book has been written for worldly people. Enjoy Your Breath technique of meditation has been developed for these very common worldly people who want to earn more money, who want to achieve success, who want to enjoy life, who want to live life happily and with longevity. Life improves memory, concentration and agility. Therefore, this meditation technique is also good for students for better performance in exams, and for facing job interviews. It is also helps in improving the performance of athletics and sports person who are taking part in competitive sports. However, this technique of meditation is not limited only to this much. Further, it can be used in becoming a yogi, a rishi, or a siddha also. As long as we are living, we are breathing. You want to enjoy life, then enjoy your breathing. When I was lecturing in Frankfurt, in Germany, a middle aged lady asked me, Maharshi ji, what is there to be enjoyed in the breath? I can enjoy food, I can enjoy drink, I can enjoy sex. What is there to be enjoyed in breathing? It is a normal process which keeps on taking place automatically and even unconsciously. I said preciously, that is what you have to do. Be conscious of your breath. Hear it, feel it, see it, smell it, and enjoy it. When each and every cell of your body breathe with your breath, each and every cell of your body will start getting rejuvenated. You will reach a state of blissfulness, that is Anandam and Swasanandam. In this state of mind, you become united to the Supreme Consciousness, and when that happens, all action done by you will be correct. No chance of any mistake. All the steps taken by you will lead to progress and advancement. There will be no retrograde step when you are operating from a meditative state. Mind, modern life and living is full of anxiety, actual anxiety, frustration, full of frustration, stress, severe stress, tension, total tension, worries, roast worries, etc. Common man is faced with survival problems, the problem of shortage of finances, the problem of unfaithfulness of spouse, the problem of disobedience of children, the problem of children not performing well at school, the problem of sickness in family, the problem of strained relation with people around you, etc. All these problems and stress save up your energy. They dump your life at low energy levels. Further, it complicates life problem. It is therefore absolutely essential to generate happiness. Generation of happiness increases your energy levels in your physical and mental system. There is a way of doing it. Some of the religious people say when you start thinking of enjoyment, it leads to vasanas, kamanas, and desires. Your life is adversely affected. I have answered this question in details in the chapter of Tip of Iceberg. However, I would like to clarify that the purpose of this book is not only material progress but also spiritual progress, and also progress in your health, and also progress in solving all type of problems in life. Enjoy your breath meditation automatically takes you to a meditative state of mind which connect you to supreme consciousness or cosmic intelligence or to God or to nature. This gives you a state of mind that starts giving you an all-round progress, happiness and evolution.